We love shadow show. In the night we sway and spin, harmony and fearing. Underneath the neon glow, feel the shadows take control. In the night we sway and spin, harmony and fearing. Underneath the neon glow, feel the shadows take control.
Here. This is what not looking in the map is all about. Finding shit like this. Holy crap. How did I not notice this? How in the fuck did I not notice this? Oh, that is cool. Crappy thing is this thing's so bad on the sand, man. Even the lightest little bit of sand, you almost wipe out. But boy, am I fortunate this happened. This is so cool. Oh, look, there's another lake. It's funny here how everything goes on the scooter. Like you literally can go anywhere. Nobody fucking cares. Sidewalk, anything. I'm kind of hungry. Might have to check out that restaurant up yonder. Pretty chill. Okay, let's go check out this road up here.
So calls.
Xin chào.
Cosmic echoes break the wall. By the scent and cosmic flow. Our souls pushing, don't get so forward. It falls without love. Synthesize, try. Bittersweet and taste cold. So the night, let all unfold. Since rising from stories, and shadows each their victory. Beats our guide as night unfolds. With each little drop we're breaking low. It falls without love. Synthesize, shroud. Bittersweet and taste cold. So the night that in my mind, sip to Sylvia's
Okay.
It gets funky without you. It falls without love. Synthesize, shroud. Bittersweet and taste cold. So the night that all unfold. Carry a kiss someone is so excited on a long session thing. I want to try to do in the labyrinth of neon dreams, where shadows scheme with the stream. A cosmic ribbon of silent spell. As evil's empire begins to quail, it falls without love. Synthesize, shroud. Bittersweet and taste cold. So the night that all unfolds.
Hello. Xin chào. Have a note cam? Yeah. Can I get it unsweetened? No sugar? Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. I have to say, this place is super cool. And look, I got my juice. Beautiful. Okay, I decided to stay for a matcha latte as well, and I have to say this is one of the best ones I've had. Well, this is going to be a new favorite spot. Great thing is it's not close to where I live, so it's an adventure right there. And we're right by the airport. That's why you can hear that plane. I have to say that was so good. It was one of the best matcha lattes I've had, and the best orange juice. It was super cold for a change. Hello, hello.
Chains of silence break me by. Through the echoes, hear their cry.
Normal behavior.